Welcome along to the Key Stage 2 SATs information sharing for parents, and we're going to just have a look at the SATs papers in a little bit more in depth. I'm going to just be running through a few of the maths papers, and I'm going to give you some websites to have a look at so you can spend more time away from this video and looking at them for yourselves, okay, if you are interested in doing that. So basically, what I would do is Key Stage 2 Maths SATs papers. Okay. Some of these sites are free, some of them you have to pay to join. So I would skip all of those and I'd go to the one that says .gov.uk, the government site, because they're the ones that generate the SATs papers, and all of the past materials are on there. So I'm just going to click practice materials and it'll come up with a site like this. Now on there, as you can see, all of these links will link to a set of tests. All right. So there's 2017 modified, 2018. So if I click on 2018, here we go. And they're the three maths papers and a mark scheme, which is always good if your child's better at maths than yourself. I know mine at secondary school is his level of mathematics is getting well beyond mine. So I'm having to study things like this to try and keep up with his homework. So basically, what you would do if you want to have a look at what the arithmetic paper is like, open the link, okay, and it gives you an exact replica of an arithmetic SATs paper, okay, of what's expected of your child. And if you start looking through the questions, I'm just skimming through some of those. Hopefully, those that spend a bit of time looking at their child's homework and what we've been sending home from week to week can see that there is a certain link between types of questions that are asked on the SATs to the types of questions we're sending home on an arithmetic sheet that looks like this. Okay, we did base our homework from the SATs. We've been preparing the children from day one. Okay, they are well on with the arithmetic. There's so many children in year 6 now that are getting in the high 30s or even 40 out of 40. They do very well with the arithmetic. But that gives you an idea of the types of questions that they're going to be faced. It's not going to be exactly those questions. It'll be questions similar to it because obviously this is the curriculum we teach. So for example, if you look at question 3, it's 1 digit by 2 digit. So in the real SATs, that's what it'll be. It'll be a 1 digit by 2 digits multiplication or division. Okay. If we go back to have a look now, there's paper 2, paper 3. There's no extra weight in paper 3 is not harder than paper 2. Paper 2 is not harder than paper 1. They're just different. Okay, so paper 1 is just straightforward arithmetic, straightforward calculations, no words. But paper 2 and paper 3 are just hiding the maths within a problem, and the children have got to then unpick it. So again, you could click on these, open the link, and have a look at the different kind of questions that they might face in this. So obviously there's geometry, so reflection there, symmetrical patterns. There's a calculation, but the children have then got to rewrite that calculation as an addition to check it. So do they know that subtraction and addition are inverse of each other? Measurements, so the use of a ruler. And again, I'll let you have a look through that in your own time, so at your own leisure, so you can sort of see the kind of questions. And again, you can do the same for paper 3. But basically, the maths paper with all the 3 papers added together, it comes up to a total of about 120 marks. The children are expected to get high 60s really to pass. Okay, so over half marks, but that threshold does change year on year. I can't give a definite score because it does change year on year, but usually a high 60s, low 70s